The Everest Base Camp Trek is one of the most popular and iconic adventures for the trekkers worldwide. Are you planning to go on the Everest Trek but don't know where to start? Do you have many questions about trekking, the trail, and how to prepare, and you don't know when right time to go? Don't worry, now you are in the right place. Welcome to the land of Himalayas, where adventure awaits. Today I will take you on the virtual journey to the foot of the Mount Everest, sharing the trekking trips, breathtaking views, and everything you need to know about this iconic adventure. The Everest Base Camp Trek, also known as the EBC Trek, it's a journey through the stunning Sagarmatha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This trail takes you through the charming Sherpa village, ancient monastery, and serene stupas, all set against the backdrops of the majestic Himalayas. It's a paradise for the nature lover and adventurer alike. To reach the Everest Base Camp, most trekkers start their journey from Lukla after a thrilling flight from Kathmandu. From Lukla and follow the beautiful river Dutkushi, which passes through the silver Sherpa village like Phakding, Namche Bazar, Tengpoche, Lobuche, and Korek Step. Namche Bazar is the biggest village in the Khumbu region. Here has several souvenir and the clothing shops, cafe, and good internet, better lodge, money exchange. Indeed, the people here are nice and very friendly. Some of these villages have old monasteries to visit around. As you ascend higher, the landscape transforms. Trees become smaller and the mountain grows closer. From Tengpoche, you will awake up to jaw-dropping view of Himalayas right from your tea house window. Imagine sipping a warm drink while watching the sunrise over the Mount Everest. It's like a heaven on earth. A trail continues through the Phangpoche, Periche, Tengpoche, and Lobuche, eventually leading you to the Khumbu Glacier. The final stretch takes you to the Korak Shape and finally Everest Base Camp itself. Standing at the foot of the world's tallest peak is an unforgettable experience, with Khumbu icefall glistening in the distance. But the adventure doesn't end here. A hike to Kalapathar at 5,550 meters offers a 360-degree panoramic view of Himalayas. From here, you will witness the magnificence of Everest, Noptse, Purmuri, Amadablam, and countless other peaks. It's a view that will stay with you forever. Okay, let's talk about the food and accommodation. When trekking to Everest Base Camp, expect a simple yet clean and comfortable accommodation. Stay in local tea house run by a welcoming communities where you will find a warm bed, Wi-Fi access, and healthy and delicious meal. The dining areas are cozy, often heated with the traditional stove, perfect for the warming up and the relaxing after a long on the trail. Embrace the experience and enjoy the hospitality of Himalayas. Now let's talk about the best season. The Everest Base Camp trekking is fantastic in any season. It may snow, it may rain, The best time to trek to the Everest Base Camp are during the spring, the March to June, and autumn, September to December season. This month offer clear skies, stable weather, and the best view of Himalayas. Is trekking at the Everest Base Camp hard? Let's talk about the difficulty. The Everest Trek is not a cup of tea for everybody. It's the best trekking destination for the mountain lovers. The trek typically takes 12 to 20 days depending on your pace and the fitness level. Also depending on how many places you want to explore, like Everest Base Camp, Kokyo Valley, and the Everest Three Pass Trek, or even climbing a mountain. While it's challenging, but it's not too technical. Anyone can conquer this iconic trail with proper preparation, making it accessible to trekkers of all ages and the fitness level. Let's talk about the Everest Base Camp packing list. What do you need to bring? Packing is smart is the key to successful trek. First, pack warm layer. Taking pen, a jacket, a glove, a hat, and a hiking scarf to keep you cozy. Good trekking shoe and the socks will protect your feet on the rough trail. Carry a strong and a comfortable trekking backpack to hold all your essentials. Don't forget a medical kit. Safety first. And of course, bring a headlamp, sunglasses, sunscreen, and a raincoat in case the weather changes. Lastly, carry your passport, visa, and necessary permits. With smart packing, your Everest trek will be an unforgettable experience. Let's talk about how you can prepare for Everest Base Camp. Preparation is crucial. Focus on building your physical fitness and mental resilience. Train with the high cardio and strength exercise to ensure you are ready for the higher altitude challenges. Now let's talk about the cost. This is the most common question regarding the Everest Base Camp Trek. How much does the Everest Base Camp Trek cost? A standard 12-day Everest Base Camp Trek costs around 1,300 to 3,000 US dollar per person, covering the food, accommodation, and round-trip flight from Kathmandu to Lukla. Price may vary based on the duration of your trek, types of services you choose, such as a guide, porter support, accommodation quality, and meal options. Whether you opt for a budget-friendly or premium experience, every penny spent is worth the breathtaking journey. The Everest Trek is more than just a journey. It's a life-changing adventure. From the towering peak to the warm hospitality of Sherpa people, every step of the journey is filled with wonder. Have you visited Everest Base Camp? If not, when are you planning to go? The Himalaya is waiting for you.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the more new video.